You're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make an arbitrary on Canva. The first thing you want to do once you have created your Canva account, which you can do for completely free using your email address, you're going to tap on the search bar right here, and I want you to type in arbitrary, and you're going to see the option funeral arbitrary. You're going to tap on that. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. Keep in mind that the templates that says Pro, you'd have to be a paid subscriber to use them, or the templates that says paid, you'd have to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. But there are numerous templates that you can use for completely free, as you can see right here. Now let's say, for example, the template that I would like to use is this one. All you'll need to do is select it, then you're going to tap on customize this template. After you have tapped on customize this template, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this page, you'll be able to change the name by simply selecting the text box. From there, you can change the name to whatever you want. You can also change the date right here, and you can also change the text right here. Now, to change the image, all you'll need to do is simply select the image section. Then you can go over to the left hand menu option. You could tap on uploads, then tap on upload file, and from there you'll be able to upload an image of the person that you would like to add. So for example, let's say I were to go onto elements, and I'm going to be searching for an image right here. So let me do that real quick, just for example's sake. And then you can simply drag and place the image, as you can see right there. It would be as easy as that to replace it. After you have done that, you can see the different elements. So let's say, for example, you would like to add this also over here. All you'll need to do is tap on duplicate. Once it has been duplicated, you can simply move it over, or you could simply go over to the left hand menu option, tap on elements. Then from there, you can search for whatever you want. So let's say, for example, we want to search for doves. You can see right there, dove white or Holy Spirit dove. You can select whichever option. Then from there, you can tap on see all, right where you see graphics. Then you can see the different options, as you can see right here. All you need to do now, once you have found one that you would like to use, you can simply drag and place it. So you can simply drag and place it right there, and you can move it into position, as you can see right there. And you could add any other element that you would like to add. It is quite easy to do. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then from here you can tap on download. Then you could tap on download once more. Once it has been downloaded, you'll be able to print it. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.